Coco channel for teaching a dog.
Okay.
I am your host, Xavier. This is my assistant, Valerie.
Okay, and today...
This is Coco, my pet. He pee. There's his milk bottle. First, you need to set up something like this. A basket, a pillow, a towel, bowl, pee mat, and newspaper. What the
He just ruined the video!
Okay, do back. We still have to go. This here is can grow about the size of a husky. Stop touching the pea mat. Okay, I am going to touch Coco. Hello. In the other kitchen, we show dun 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 dun. Fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken. Finger licking.
Okay. Sorry, our video will continue on the part 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe.
I fuck off.
Okay, let's see the video.
Go.
Here is part 2. Hello.
Do.